This bundle of joy here is called Stitch Fix. Hi everyone, it's Barbara. Welcome to my Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. Okay, who doesn't know what Stitch Fix is all about? Let me tell you. Let's see, what can I tell you? Let's see, the styling fee is $20. That is applied to anything that you purchase from that particular box. They send you 5 items and shipping's free and returns are free. And if you use my referral link, you will receive a $25 credit. Can't lose, you really can't. Normally I would receive a credit also, but they have a max of how many credits you can get in a year, and I've already exceeded that, or I've met that. So, but that's okay. Use my link, get your $25 off, give them a try. If you return everything, you're out, what, $5. I mean, you still have $5. Let's put it that way. I'm looking at my little stuff, my package here, and I'm like, oh, I'm losing my train of thought. Which if you followed me, you know that happens a lot. So it's kind of common. Okay. So basically, if you spend $20 to receive a box and you end up returning everything and you have a $25 credit, you're really $5 ahead. Okay, let's see what's in here. Looks pretty nice, and we have some jewelry. You also receive a nice little envelope with the invoice, which I'm not going to look at, and a style sheet. So all the items that are in your box, your stylist gives you ideas on how you could style those. And I'm just gonna check to see who my stylist is, because I've had Emma, and I think it says Emma. I gotta put these darn glasses on. Yes, I have Emma. So I've been very, very happy with Emma. I think she knows my style, but my understanding, I don't understand how Stitch Fix actually works with the stylist. I kind of just have a feeling they have like, okay, here are some items you can pick from to send to your client. I don't know how true that is. So I don't know. All right, let's start with the jewelry. I'm gonna show you the items very quickly, and then I'll do a try on and give you more information on the screen, and everything is always in the description. Pretty cute. It's gold. I like the links on this. And then it has the pearl buttons, the pearl balls. And let's see how long it is. Price always determines if I like it or not. It's kind of like wearing a pearl necklace, but with these really neat links. Okay, I might like that. Try it on. Okay, what's this? This is soft. Looks like it's animal print. Oh, it's a cardigan. Oh, how about that? Let's try it on right now and see how it looks. Oh, it's got the waterfall flow in the front. I don't know. It's different. It's more of a brown. It looks good with black. Black I wear a lot. This is actually kind of cute. The only thing is that it's solid on the inside, so when you're wearing it and it flops open, I don't know. How do you guys feel about that? I don't know. I keep saying, this is a possibility. All right, let's see what else we have. Blouse. Okay, I'm not a blouse person. I was when I worked, and even then, I didn't wear a lot of blouses. I mean, it sure is cute though. Look, it has the scallops in the front, the scalloped edge. That's kind of cute actually. It is a very nice blouse. It's got the elastic on the bottom, which I like. And I don't know, it's nice. I mean, I could like it, but then will I wear it? Probably not actually, I'm just gonna tell you. Right up front, I don't wear blouses. I really, very, very seldom do I wear a blouse. Like, to me, this is a blouse for work. And I don't work outside the home, so I don't really have a need for it. I'll gravitate towards something else. But you never know, you get it on. And the pricing. Also, if you keep all 5 items with Stitch Fix, you get an additional 25% off. Okay, here's another blouse. Look at how pretty this color is. Very pretty. Nope, tab sleeve. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm not keeping it. And I don't care how cute it is. It's got the, if it looks really cute, love the color, I'm not keeping it. Nope. Not unless it's a 5 for $5, then I'll sell it on Poshmark. I don't wear blouse, especially when in the fall, I get too cold. I need more of like, it's just, I just get cold. I know, I don't have to explain it to you guys, but you know what? When you see these items, and if you get Stitch Fix, you can request these from your stylist because I have everything in the description for you and on the screen. So we all have different taste in clothes. We all have different needs. We all have different body types. I'm just here to show and share and give you my opinion on the items that I like. Oh, jeans. They stretch. Please, 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 please. Yes, stretch. Well, these have a lot of stretch. Cut from the cloth. Yes, boot cut. Yes, yes, yes. I like the color. Oh, this makes me happy. What kind are these? Which ones are they? High rise, fab, ab, baby boot cut. I'm excited about these. I'm not excited about the 2 blouses, but that's okay. Let's just do a try on and see how it all works out. Say I'm eating my words. I love this blouse. I love it. I think it's the nice little scallop edge. The fabric feels actually very nice. I'll have to look to see what it is. It is a true wrap. It has a snap here, elastic at the bottom, elastic around the wrist. It's just it's just a really pretty blouse to dress up a pair of jeans. I like that the sleeve's a little flowy, but not too much. I just really like it. Shocker, and it's a blouse. I will wear this with jeans. Now I might put a cami underneath it because this can be a little daunting, if you know what I mean. All right, the jeans. Cut from the cloth. Yes, please. Where's some, wait a minute. Hold on. Okay, these have super stretchy cotton blend, pocket lining that extends to the zipper, a flattering, smooth fit. They fit amazing. That's what I'm talking about. I need this. These jeans are gonna be keepers. They are the boot cut. I like the dark wash. Here's the cut. Pockets. These are a keeper. Okay, let me take those shoes off. All right, oh, a lot of you guys have asked me about these. These are from Ann Taylor. I bought them this year. Love, love, love them. They're not the most comfortable shoes, but they do the trick. So, all right, let's talk about this necklace. The necklace is okay. I mean, it's nice, it's cute. I like the links in it. I'm not crazy about the pearl balls on them. I think if maybe it had something else, maybe, I don't know. I'm on the fence. I don't love it. It's probably not something that I will reach for. There's other jewelry that I like better. So more than likely, this is gonna be a no. This might be a yes, depending on price. The jeans are definitely a yes. So I have one shirt to try on, and you've already seen the Afghan or the cardigan. So let me change up. Never count anything out until you try it on. I should have kept my opinions to myself until I tried it on. Okay, this is really nice. I like the length of it. The quality feels really nice. It's the Calvin Klein. It's a thick material. I could wear this when it gets cooler. Beautiful, beautiful color. Love the length. This would look actually really nice with leggings. Look at this beautiful color. Isn't that pretty? It's got a little bit of pleating up here. I like the V-neck. Very, very nice top, except, and you guys know I'm gonna say this, these darn tab sleeves. It is a snap, or is it? No, it's a button with the silver button, but this feels terrible. You know how it gets caught in your arm? That just feels terrible. I know you guys are gonna say, you know, you can use some fabric tape and all that. I'll tell you what, when I buy clothes at full price, I wanna be able to wear it and not have to do anything to it. If I have to do something to it, I'm probably not gonna keep it. I'm probably gonna return it unless I absolutely love it. Okay, I have to tell you, this top would have been a keeper if it weren't for these sleeves. Shocker, 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 shocker. The fabric, it feels really nice. It's not that real thin material that as soon as a little gust of wind comes by, you're freezing because it's going through, you know, the belly area where it gets cold, for me anyways. So this is really, really nice. If you guys don't mind tab sleeves and you would be looking for something quality, this is for you. This is really, really nice. Okay, seriously, I wish the sleeves were different on this top because I would keep it. All right, I want to just do a real quick kind of review on my thoughts on when I think of this box. And I'll tell you what, Emma, if you are watching, you did a great job. It's not all keepers, but you did a great job. So let's do a real quick review. Overall, this is a really great box, so thank you, Emma. All right, I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm keeping the cut from the cloth jeans. I have them on still. I love them, and I need some that have a lot more stretch in them right now. So these are keepers. I cannot put them in the dryer. They're $88. They are called the Simmons. Let me look at this one. Simmons High Rise Fab Ab Boot Cut. I also, before this review, I went online to see if I could find them cheaper because Cut from the Cloth I received an email, they had, you know, $20 off, 20% or whatever it was, they had some on sale. I cannot find these Simmons jeans anywhere except I saw some on Poshmark, so they must have been around for a while. I didn't really go in and look because they weren't my size and they're sold. So I did just a real quick scan and can't find them. They're here, I like them, I'm gonna keep them. And I don't pay a styling fee because I paid the, what do you call it? I have the Style Pass, I paid $49 a year. I do have a $43 credit, so it'll go towards these. So that's nice. I mean, I always try to hang on to that credit. I don't spend it just because I have it. I'm waiting for the items that I really wanna buy. So the jeans Cut from the Cloth are a keeper. This top is Calvin Klein Dustin roll sleeve blouse, $69. And I would pay $69 for this top if it had a different sleeve. This sleeve will drive me crazy. I mean, Mike will keep asking me, what's wrong with you? And I'll be like, oh, these sleeves, I can't stand these sleeves. I don't know what it is, but just don't like them. So unfortunately, this is being returned, but I love, love the style. So let's see, and it's a blouse. Yeah, see, I'm eating my words. Okay, let's talk about this black blouse with the scallop. I like this a lot. I don't know if I'm actually in love with it for $42. I don't know. It is by Nine Britain, the Ivana scallop detailed blouse in black, $42. So if I kept the jeans and this blouse, my total would be $130. I think I'd rather, if I was liking majority of the box for the items and I needed a fifth, I would definitely keep this. But I might return it. I'm not sure yet. So you guys let me know what you think. And I need to watch the video. Okay, the necklace. This is Stella and Ruby. It's called a Bobby, B-O-B-B-I, pearl choker necklace, $36. No, I'm not keeping it. I don't like the white pearls on it. I just, but I like the chain on it, you know, the links. So no, I'm not excited about it. I'm gonna return it. Okay, and then the last thing is this cardigan. By Bobo. And it is the Wallace brushed cardigan. They say it's gray, $58. That looks brown to me. Maybe it's gray with the brown. Maybe that's it. Maybe that's what they mean. I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence. So that is $42. So if I keep 3 items, did I say 42? Oh no, it's $58. I don't like it $58. I'm not even gonna do the math. I don't like it $58 worth. It is soft though. But I don't like it that much. I like it, but I don't love it. So, okay, let's just do the math. Hold on, let's see. If I were to keep this, would it be worth keeping the entire box? Let's see, so 130 plus 58, that'd be 188, where if I kept the entire box, it's 219. That's with my 25% buy all discount. No, it's kind of like I'm trying to justify keeping the entire box and I don't want to do that. I don't know, I kind of like this top. I don't know. Can I get used to the sleeves? Well, I am a little confused. And you know what? I am going to post this video right away before my check. I've already extended my checkout once because this box came while I was visiting my daughter and her family and Angela. So I've extended it once. So I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know. Okay, so you guys let me know, and then so I can make a decision. I'll watch the video and make a decision, and we'll just go from there. I don't know. This is Emma. Thank you. You're doing very well. I would not have kept this and this. No way. I was like, I didn't even want to try them on because they're blouses. But the quality is really nice. And I would tell you what the material is, but I still need some new glasses so I can see the darn tags. They are so tiny. All right, that's it. That's my stitch fix. I'm so happy. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.